What's up guys? Right, so today we have an unboxing for this Magic Mount vent. So it's a magnetic mount for mobile devices. I've been basically hunting around for different car holders. As you can see, this one's broken. I ordered this from eBay. It did a good job, but the thing is, in the end of the day, you know, they just get brittle and they just break off. This seems to be a very good brand. So the brand is from SCOSCHE, and I think so that's how you pronounce it. So it's made in America, and pretty good packaging, and it's got this sort of clip holder which goes into the vent, and you have the magnets, and you stick it on your phone, and that's pretty much it. Now the problem with the cheap versions is that what happens is that either the phone starts falling because the magnetic sticker isn't that strong, or this thing itself starts falling off the vent. So with this one, it's supposed to be quite good. I read about it, quite good reviews. So got this product, and let's go ahead and unbox it and see how it looks. It's got this plastic sort of shell holder itself. So either ways, you can put it like that, or you can put it like that. And I am just going to try to stick it in, because this Prius has got really sort of strange vents. So that's really, you know, it looks nice. You see, it's a really nice fit, and this is the magnet. And if I just that is really strong. So that gives a good strong sort of clamping effect, and it comes with a protector over here, so you stick it over the phone. So yeah guys, this is all. This is my video, and if you like it, give us a thumbs up, and if you're planning to buy this, get this brand. It's really good. Stick on any of these vents, and it's a great option. So guys, thanks for watching, and see you in my next video then. Bye for now.